Sick of endless, pointless website notifications? So is Google, and Chrome's about to start cleaning the house for you. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your hub of the latest tech news. Google Chrome is updating both on Android and desktop, introducing a smart feature that automatically revokes notification permissions from websites you haven't interacted with in a while. That means if you haven't clicked, tapped, or engaged with the site's pop-up alerts, Chrome will silently step in and pull the plug out. Ironically, the browser will still send you one final notification letting you know it's cutting off that site's ability to bug you. And if you want those alerts back, you can restore them manually through Chrome's safety check or by visiting the site and granting permission again. It mirrors Chrome's existing behavior for managing app permissions like camera access or location, automatically dialing back what apps and sites can do when they've been left alone for too long. This change came because, according to Google, less than 1% of all website notifications actually get clicked. Their internal studies show that fewer notifications equals to more meaningful interactions with users, paying more attention to the alerts that actually do pop up. And for the users who don't want Chrome deciding for them, the automatic revocation feature can be turned off entirely in settings. This update may appear small, but it paints a bigger picture, making web browsing less cluttered, more intentional, and way less annoying. So next time a site falls silent, it might not be broken. It's just Chrome deciding it wasn't worth the noise. Did you like this update or not? Tell us in the comments, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any